Welcome into my kitchen. All right, you guys, I'm gonna make some of Mama's good old eggs, but in a microwave, y'all. And y'all know how I used to do them in a Cool Whip bowl? Well, hey, if you got a Cool Whip bowl, you can still do the same exact thing in a Cool Whip bowl. We're just gonna use these little plastic plastic containers, and we're gonna use it because it is microwave safe. Anything is microwave safe, you do it in microwave. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna take, now this is my bacon grease. Y'all know that bacon grease, right? Y'all know that bacon grease. So we're gonna take the bacon grease and put enough in here to cover the bottom of the bowls. Or you can use your old crystal vegetable oil, it doesn't matter, but we're gonna use what Mama used, that little bacon grease. A little salt and pepper, that's it. And let's show you what it's looking like. Just enough to cover the bottom. And then we're just gonna crack these 2 eggs in each bowl. And remember, when you put it in the microwave, it's 1 minute per each egg. So we're gonna use 2 eggs, so we're gonna put it in here for 2 minutes. All right, so this is how the eggs gonna look. Now we're not gonna make them in an omelet. We're just gonna have fried eggs, so we're gonna leave the yolks just as they are. Just as they are, no stirring around. Now we're gonna put a little black pepper in each one of them. I'm using the coarse black pepper. You guys can use the ground if you prefer. A little bit more for my husband because he likes more black pepper. And just a little salt, just to season. You don't want too much salt. All right, that's it, you guys. We're gonna pop these in the microwave for 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna put this in the microwave separately from this because you know we got 4 eggs, so we don't wanna put it in there for 4 minutes. We wanna take and put this in there for 2 minutes and then turn around and put this in there for 2 minutes. We'll do that. All right, so they're all done. You can take them out of the bowls and get them ready to eat.